guys? I'm back here with another video. We're gonna be getting the new exotic shotgun that you buy with gold. And I'm here with my friend Karar.
Hi.
And let's get right into this. Well, let's go. It's right there. That's the place where you get it. You have to spend 1,200 gold. So you see on the right, I have 1,724 gold. That's enough. We gotta go here fast though, right, correct? Because only one person can get it in the game. So it's kind of rare. You're the only one who has the shotgun.
Yep.
But it's really expensive though. Is there people landing here? Yeah, there's people landing here.
Oh, the guy's here. Yeah.
Yep.
The yellow man.
There he is.
Buy it from him quick though. Well, actually, it doesn't matter if they buy him. Honestly, let them buy it.
Yeah.
So you don't have to spend anything.
On the roof. He's on the roof.
You want me to kill him? I was waiting for him to buy it.
Okay. We're gonna get it. Okay.
Hold on, I want to make sure he actually has
Make
it.
it.
Yeah, he definitely has it. Wait, it's 1,213. So yeah, 1,200.
Is there a kid coming? I just want to make sure.
Wait, do you have a attack?
Yeah, I have a tack for you.
That's perfect. No, double pump with it.
Oh, okay. Hello, man. I just want this, please. The dub, and boys, we got it.
Let's go.
Boys.
Try it. Try to double pump.
I only have 4 ammo.
But crouch, because it knocks you back.
I only have 6 ammo.
Oh. Alright.
Okay. Let's go get some kills with it.
Hey, where's my gold? I was supposed to get 150 gold.
Where is it?
Oh, yes! Is that, what's his name? Yes! I want the sniper! Now I can get the sniper. You know, I've never actually got the sniper.
You haven't?
Nope. I shouldn't have dropped that med kit.
No, I got med kits.
Alright.
Intense cranking. Intense cranking intensifies.
Oh, I'm just kidding.
Intense cranking intensifies.
He's really low.
Nice.
Oh my god, he just saved my life.
Kill him. 127 shotgun ammo. Do you need any?
I have 18, so I guess
There's like a glitch.
But it was like super far back. What if I...
There. So look back. Look behind
Yeah,
you.
but I tried to do that, but it didn't work.
No, let's go.
Yo, break that and I'll hit them. Break that wall. Break that wall. Oh, what? They built it too fast. $110? 110 on the other one?
There's 2?
Yeah.
I didn't know there was 2. I wouldn't have rushed them. I don't know if this is like a good for me, bro.
They're really low, both of them.
No, I got cracked. Help. Do you have a medkit?
Knocked. One got knocked.
Nope. Medkit, nice.
Because I have 6 minis, that's why.
Oh, yeah.
Here, I'm gonna go end them.
Where's shake him down first.
Yeah, no, they're healing.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He healed.
Nice.
But then I killed him. Oh my god, they had good healing, bro. Oh my god, lever action! Oh, never mind. I thought that was stronger.
Stop there.
Right here.
Any mats, crack? Okay, okay.
Oh, yeah, I got you. Come here. I can't, hold on.
Drop.
There you go.
Thank you. let me, oh, okay.
Oh, my bad.
That's fine, that's fine.
What were you about to shoot up? You're 90? I'm 90.
My P90.
Oh.
Kids, let's go. Let's go, Farai. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. Traffic here then. With my shotgun. That's overpriced.
I'm gonna try to get them low with my star, and then so you can get them shotgun one. Because you only have 2 shots. There's one in the sand.
Killed one, shot one.
Nice.
Killed one.
Not bad.
And me.
The other's out in sand. I'm gonna leave him for now. Here, I'm gonna stay here. Put him on. Nice.
Yes. 2v2, bro.
Oh, no.
Whoa, that was a close one, bro.
It hit me.
Oh,
Right here.
Where?
Yeah, it hit me. He's on me. I don't know where though.
Go for the gun.
But he's like right next to you. Where is this kid?
Just went to sand.
Oh, one shot.
Woo. Let's go!
Oh, let's go.
Let's go!